With PMT function, we have created a loan payment calculator. Now we'll create a loan payment schedule. Here is the syntax for PMT function, rules for the PMT function. I have the loan amount of 2 lakhs, interest rate is 8.5%, tenure is 1 year, and I have calculated the monthly EMI using the PMT function. It is in the formula bar. Now we'll see how much interest and principal we pay for our loan. My tenure is divided into 12 months. My EMI will be the same for every month. For interest, I am going to use the formula principal multiplied by term multiplied by rate. So for the first month, my principal will be the loan amount. Term is for 1 month, it is considered as 1, and rate is this, which is divided by 12 for a monthly payment. And principal, which is the difference between the EMI and the interest. The balance will be the loan amount minus the principal. For the second month, the principal will be present balance. Term is 1 again. Rate is same 8.5%. We lock it and divide this by 12 for monthly payment. And for principal, it is the same formula, EMI minus interest. Balance is the present balance minus the principal. We'll make use of tables for summation. Insert table, design, click total row. This is the total principal amount. This is the total interest. And this is the total repayment. For a 2 lakh loan, I am paying this much interest. So the total repayment is this much. Now let's check what if I put some value in future value. So in PMT function, I am putting a future value as 50,000. Then the type will be at the end of the period or beginning of the period. Loans will be at the end of the period. So I am putting 0. Now the changes, the balance at the end of the tenure will not be 0. It will be 50,000. The total principal paid will be 1,50,000. So I have to pay 50,000 in order to close the loan.